In this video, I will show you how to import Astra theme in WordPress and import premium quality demo for free. Astra is one of the most popular themes for WordPress websites because it is faster, lightweight, and it brings a heavy customization facility. This also offers a lot of pre-built website design. Surprisingly, some of them are completely free. It brings a lot of positive reviews out there. You can customize this theme without coding. It is also compatible with page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, and Gutenberg too. Under the Starter Template section, you will see more than 200 ready-to-import websites. The design lists are shown below. So, to import Astra theme in WordPress, go to the WordPress admin panel. Go for adding a new theme. Under the Popular section, you will see the Astra theme. You can also find this by searching here. So, click Install. Now, activate. Activating Astra theme is done. Our next step is to import Astra theme demo. The first step to importing Astra demo is activating the starter template. You can install and activate this by clicking on Get Started. If you don't see this here, then you can go to Astra options for this. Then click on Install Importer Plugin. It will be activated automatically. They will redirect to a page to build your website now. First, you need to select a page builder. If you are good at Elementor, then select this. The pre-built websites will be loading now. It comes with a lot of pre-built designs for business, personal care, sales, community, etc. You see the premium tag on some designs. This means you need a premium subscription for importing those demos. But the rest demos are free to use. If you want to import an e-commerce design, then click on the e-commerce section. We choose this free design to import. You can upload your logo here. You can also do this later. Press, skip, and continue. You can choose color variants for your website. For this grocery store website, green is perfectly fine. Just choose the color and click Continue. At the final step, they want some information from you. But this is not mandatory. Below this, follow my actions. Astra demo import process is going on. Congratulations, the demo import is complete. Let's check our site. You see, the products and images are well set. And the product page is fine too. So, this is the video on how to import Astra theme in WordPress and import demo for free. If you have any questions or confusion, feel free to use the comment section. See you in the next episode.